One of the questions that we get a lot is how you actually identify and count your stitches. I just made a little swatch in single crochet stitches here. The first thing you can do is to turn your work upwards and count the little V's on top. Each V is a stitch. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, plus the chain stitch in the beginning of the row. So in total 15 stitches. But how do you identify your stitches in the middle of our work? Well, you want to look for the little V's with a hat on top. These are your stitches. So let's count this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then you have 14 and 15, because we need to remember these two extras at the sides. This is the chain stitches. Let's see what it looks like when working in double crochets instead. On top it's the same as before, you just turn your work slightly and count the little V's. The double crochet stitches can be easier to identify actually because they have more air in between them. We call them posts. So this is one double crochet stitch and here's another one. So let's try to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then we have 15 and 16. So on this swatch we have 16 stitches per row. And that's how you count your stitches on a double crochet swatch. How to count your stitches when working in the round. Just as before, you will look for the little V's on top. So the first stitch is the one your yarn is attached to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So we have 24 stitches in this round.